God bless you, my dear students. Today I am going to start linear equation in one variable of class 7, and this is from unit 7 worksheet 1. Let's see first question. It is 5x minus 2 equal 18. Minus 2 is purely a constant number. 18 is also a purely constant number. So these two numbers should be in the same side. We take minus 2 to the right side. It becomes plus 2. Now 18 plus 2 is 20. And in the left hand side, when we take away minus 2, they are left 5x. 5x means 5 into x. We should write here x into 5 so that we can understand it easily. This is multiplier here. 5 is multiplier here. So in the right hand side it will be divisor. Now 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Thus we got x equal 4. Let's check it. In the left hand side it is 5x minus 2. Right here 5x minus 2. Now put the value of x from here. X is equal to 4. 5x means 5 into x. So 5 4 is 20. And 20 minus 2 is 18. It is the right hand side. Check now. Remember, when you are doing in the same side operation, there we use DMAS. Divide, multiply, add and subtract. So first we multiply here. 5 4 is 20. Then we subtracted here minus 2, it is 18. Question number 2. 1 by 4y plus 1 by 2 equal 5. Both are constant. So take it 1 by 2 to the right side. It will be minus 1 by 2. Now 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So 5 by 1 minus 1 by 2. Denominator should be equal when we add or subtract. So multiply denominator by 2 so that it becomes 1 2 is 2. As you know, denominator is multiplied by 2, then you have to multiply numerator by 2. Now 5 2 is 10, it is 10 by 2. And it is 1 by 2. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 by 2. Now, in the left hand side, y1 is y by 4. 4 is here divisor. So, in the right hand side, it will be multiplier. Now, 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4. 9 2 is 18. You got here y equal 18. Let's check it. 1 by 4y plus 1 by 2 equals 1 by 4 into y is 18. Now 2 1 is 2 2 is 4 and 2 9 is 18. It is 9 by 2 and it is 1 by 2. 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 9 plus 1 10 by 2 and 2 1 is 2 5 is. It is 5. Right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side both are equal. So question number 3. 3 by 5x minus 6 equal 3. Minus 6 in the left hand side, it will be plus 6 to the right hand side. Now 3 plus 6 is 9. In the left hand side, they are left 3 by 5x. 3 by 5 is multiplied by x, or x is multiplied by 3 by 5. So it will be divisor to the right hand side. 9 can be written as 9 by 1 and 3 by 5 is here divided by 3 by 5. As we know, first we change the sign of division into multiplication and 3 by 5 is converted into its reciprocal. So it becomes 5 by 3. Now 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 is 9. 3 into 5 is 15. We got here x equal 15. Let's check it. Left hand side and x is 15. 5 1 is 5 and 5 3 is 15 and 3 3 is 9. Here you got 9 minus 6 is 3. Left hand and right hand both are equal. Now let's see question number 4. It is 3x plus 1 by 5 equal to minus x. In the left hand side 3x is a variable, and in the right hand side it is minus x, also variable. There are variables in both sides, so take them together, constant to the right side and variable to the left side. This is negative, so here it will be positive, and this is positive in the left hand side, so it will be negative in the right hand side. Now as you know, make denominator same. It is 2 5s are 10 minus 1, 9, 9 by 5. In the left hand side 3x and it is 1x. 3 1 4, 4x. Now 4 is multiplied here by x, or x is multiplied by 4. So 4 is a multiplier, and to the right side it will be divisor. 9 by 5 divided by 4. When we change the sign of division into multiplication, it will be reciprocal. 1 by 4. 9 1 are 9 and 5 4 are 20. So x equal 9 by 20. Let's check it. Left hand side 3x plus 1 by 5, and x is 9 by 20. 9 3 are 27 by 20. 24 by 20, here it is 5. So multiplied by 4, and also 1 is multiplied by 4. 1 4 are 4, 5 4 are 20. 27 plus 4 31, 31 by 20. In the right hand side it is 2 minus x. So right here 2 minus x. X is 9 by 20. 9 by 20. Make denominator same. It is 40 by 20 minus 9 by 20 equals 40 minus 9, 31 by 20. Now let's see. Left hand is 31 by 20 and right hand side is also 31 by 20. So left hand side equal 31 by 20 equal right hand side. Check. Question number 5. 8x plus 5 equals 6x minus 5. In the left hand side constant is plus 5, and in the right hand side constant is minus 5. First write the constant of right side. This is minus 5, right here minus 5. Now from left side plus 5, take it to the right side, it will be minus 5. This one. Now in the left hand side 8x, and in the right hand side it is 6x, positive. So take it to the left side, it will be negative. 8x minus 6x is 2x, and minus 5 is minus 10. When both are negative, we add them. 5 and 5 is 10. Now x is equal to minus 10 divided by 2, because here 2 was multiplied or multiplier. Minus 10 is divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. In multiplication and division, if there is 1 minus, it will be minus. If there are 2 minus, it will be plus. Odd number of negative sign, product will be negative. Even number of negative sign, product will be positive. So there is 1 minus, so it is minus 5. Now to check, left hand side 8x plus 5, x is equal to minus 5. Write here minus 5 in the bracket. 8 5s are 40, sign of negative. Plus 5. One number is positive and other is negative, so there will be subtraction. 40 minus 5 is 35, and the sign of bigger number will be there. 40 is greater than 5. I am not telling about minus 40. I am telling about 40. 40 is greater than 5. So 40 minus 5 is 35, and sign of 40 is minus, so here it will be minus. Right hand side it is 6x minus 5. X is minus 5, 6 5s are 30, sign of minus right here. Both are negative, so we will add them. Minus 30 minus 5 is minus 35. Left hand side is minus 35 and right hand side is also minus 35. Both are equal, so it is checked. Question number 6. 9z minus 13 equal 11z minus 27. Variable constant. Variable constant. Take this constant to the right side and take this variable to the left side. minus 13 will be plus 13 and plus 11z will be minus 11z. Now 11z minus 9z is minus 2z. There are two types of numbers, so there will be subtraction. Here also negative and positive, so there will be subtraction. 27 minus 13 is 14 and sign of bigger number. 27 is greater than 13, so this will be minus 14. Now z is multiplied by minus 2, so minus 14 will be divided by minus 2. Multiplier becomes divisor. Both are negative, so their quotient will be positive. 14 minus 2 is 7. Now let's check it. Left hand side is 9z minus 13. Z is 7. 9 7 is 63. 63 minus 13 is 50. And right hand side is 11z minus 27. 11 7 is 77 minus 27, it is 50. So left hand 50, right hand 50. Both are equal. I hope you got. Always remember, when number of negative sign is odd, their product and quotient both will be negative. And when number of negative sign is even, their product or quotient will be positive. Now question number 7. It is 7y plus 1 equal 29. Take plus 1 to the right side. It will be 29 minus 1. 29 minus 1 is 28. 28 can be written as 28 by 1. In the left hand side it is 7 by y. Now y is divided by 7. I am writing here reciprocal of 7 by y. It is y by 7. Since we are taking reciprocal of 7 by y in the left side, so we will have to take reciprocal of 28 by 1 to the right side, and it will be 1 by 28. Now let's see here, it is y divided by 7. When we take 7 to the right side, it will be multiplier because 7 is a divisor to the left side. Now 7 1 ja 7 and 7 4 ja 28. It is 1 by 4. Y equals 1 by 4. To check, left hand side equal 7 by y plus 1. 7 by y means 7 divided by y, and y is equal to 1 by 4. So write here 1 by 4. We know that we have to change the sign of division into multiplication, and 1 by 4 will be 4 by 1. So 7 4 are 28 by 1. We need to write 1 here. It is 7 into 4 by 1. 7 4 are 28 and plus 1. 28 plus 1 is 29. Left hand side 7 by y plus 1. Right hand side 29. Both are equal. 3 by 5 x plus 2 by 5 equals 1. Plus 2 by 5 is taken to the right side, becomes minus 2 by 5. Now we are taking here LCM. 1 and 5 is 5. Since 1 is multiplied by 5, so this one is also multiplied by 5. Now 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 by 5. Here 3 by 5 x equals 3 by 5. 3 by 5 is a multiplier, so it will be divisor to the right side. Same number divided by same number is 1. We got here x equal 1. Let us take it. Left hand side, put the value of x 1. When we multiply any number by 1, we get the same number. 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Both denominators are same, so 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 by 5. 5 1 ja 5. Left hand side, right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side. Both are equal. Now, question number 9. 4y minus 2 equal 1 by 5. Take this constant to the right side, it will be plus 2. And 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 1. 1 is multiplied by 5, so 2 is also multiplied by 5. 2 5s are 10. That means we are taking LCM here 5 and 1 is 5. This is 5 to the 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 by 5. 4y equal 11 by 5. 4 is a multiplied here, so it will be divisor. 4 is at the place of numerator, so here it will be at the place of denominator. 11 by 5 4 is 20. Y equals 11 by 20. Now let's check it. Left hand side, y equal 11 by 20. 4 1s and 4 5s. So it is 11 by 5 minus 2 by 1. Again take LCM. 2 5s are 10. 11 minus 10 equal 1. 1 by 5. It is the right hand side. Now question number 10. X by 2 plus x by 4 equal 12. Multiply denominator by 2 so that it becomes 4. Since you are multiplying denominator by 2, so multiply numerator by 2. It is 2x. 2x by 4. And it is 1x by 4. Both denominators are equal. So 2x plus 1x is 3x by 4 equal 12. 3 by 4 is multiplier. So here it will be divisor. Now change the sign of division and 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3. Reciprocal of 3 by 4. Here it is 3 1s and 3 4s. 4 4s 16. 4 4s 16. Now let's check. X by 2 means 16 by 2. X by 4 means 16 by 4. 2 1s and 2 8s. 4 1s, 4 4s. 8 plus 4, 12. Right hand side. It is checked. Question number 11. 2 by 5z equal 3 by 8z plus 7 by 20. Take this variable to the left side. Positive will be negative. And now 5 and 8. Take LCM. It will be 40. 5 8s and 8 5s. Multiply both numerator and denominator by 8. Here multiply both numerator and denominator by 5. 2 8s 16. 3 5s 15. Now 16z minus 15z equal 1z. Denominator is 40. Here z is at the place of denominator, that means divisor. So here it will be multiplier. 0 cancel. 2 1s and 2 2s. 7 2s 14. Z equals 14. Now let's check it. Left hand side is 2 by 5z. Z equal 14. 2 14s are 28 by 5. Now right hand side, it is 3 by 8z plus 7 by 20. Z is 14. Cancel. 2 4s and 2 7s. 7 3s 21. 21 by 4, 7 by 20. 4 is multiplied by 5. 21 is also multiplied by 5. 21 5s are 105. It is 105. Now 105 plus 7, 112 by 20. 4 5s are 4 2s are 8. 3 2 32. 4 8s are 32. 28 by 5. Let's see. Left hand side is 28 by 5 and right hand side is also 28 by 5. Both are equal. Question number 12. 2 by 5y minus 5 by 8y equals 5 by 12. Take LCM of 5 and 8. It is 40. 5 is multiplied by 8. 2 is multiplied by 8. 2 8s are 16. 8 is multiplied by 5. 5 is multiplied by 5. 25. Now 16y minus 25y. Positive and negative. So there will be subtraction. 25 minus 16 is 9. Sign of bigger number, minus. Sign of bigger number, minus. It is minus 9 by 40y equal 5 by 12. Now here minus 9 is at the place of numerator, so it will be at the place of denominator to the right side. And 40 to the numerator. Now cancel it. 4 3s are and 4 10s are. 5 10s are 50 and 9. Plus into minus, minus. Y equals minus 50 by 27. Let's check it. Left hand side 2 by 5y minus 5 by 8y. Y is equal to minus 50 by 27. Put it here. Now cancel. 5 1 ja and 5 10 ja. Here 2 4 ja and 2 25 ja. 25 into 5, it is 125. Minus into minus plus. 27 into 4, 108. Here 2 10 ja 20. 27 1 ja 27. Plus minus minus. Now we have to take LCM, so we multiply 27 by 4 and 20 by 4. It is 108 and 24 is 80. Here plus 125 and this side minus 80. 125 minus 80 is 45, not negative, it is 45. Now 9 5s are 45. 9 1s are 9, here left 1 and 8 18. 9 2s are 18. 5 by 12. Right hand side is 5 by 12. Question number 13. 3x plus 2 into x plus 2 equals 20 minus 2x minus 5. Here we are using distributive property. 2x 2 2 is 4. Here also minus 2x minus minus plus 5. Now let's see 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 4. In the right hand side 20 is positive, 5 is positive. So 20 plus 5 is 25 minus 2x. Now minus 2x is taken to the left side and plus 4 is taken to the right side. 5x plus 2x is 7x. 25 minus 4 is 21. 7 is a multiplier, so here it will divide. 21 and 7. 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja. X equal 3. Let's check it. Left hand side is 3x plus 2 into x plus 2. Put the value of x 3. X 3. 3 3 are 9. And here 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 9, 19. Now right hand side. It is 20 minus 2x minus 5. Put the value of x. 2 3 are 6. 6 minus 5 1. 20 minus 1 19. Left and right both are 19. Now question number 14. 13 into y minus 4 minus 3 into y minus 9 equals 5 into y plus 4. Distributive property. 13y, 13 4s are 52 minus 52. Here 3y minus 3y and minus minus plus 3 9 are 27. Here also 5y, 5 4s are 20. 13y minus 3y, it is 10y. Minus 52 plus 27, two types of number, so it will be subtracted 27 from 52 and it is 25. Sign of bigger number is minus, so write here minus. In the right hand side 5 by plus 20. Take 5 by to the left side, it will be minus 5 by. Take minus 25 by minus 25 to the right side, it will be plus 25. Now 20 plus 25, 45. 10y minus 5 by 5 by. 5 is a multiplier, so here it will be divisor. 5 9s are 45. Y equal 9. Left hand side 13 into y minus 4 minus 3 into y minus 9. Put the value of y here. 9 9. 9 minus 9 0. 9 minus 4 5. 3 zeros are 0. 13 5s are 65. 65 minus 0 65. Now right side 5 into y plus 4. Y equal 9. 9 plus 4 13. 13 5s are 65. Both are equal. Now question number 15. 2z minus 7 minus 3 into 3z plus 8 equals 4z minus 9. Here 2z minus 7. Now distributive property apply here. Minus plus minus 3 3s are 9z. Minus plus minus 3 8s are 24. Now 2z is positive, 9z is negative. So there will be subtraction. 9 minus 2 7 and sign of bigger number. Here both are negative. So will be added 7 24, that is 31 minus 31. 4z minus 9. Now take 4z to the left side, it will be negative. Take 31 to the right side, minus will be plus. And one negative, another is positive. So 31 minus 9 is 22. Here both are negative, so 7 and 4 will be added and it is minus 11z. Z equal 22 and divided by minus 11. 11 2s are 22, and we know that when there is only one negative sign, then quotient will be negative. Now let us check it. 2z minus 7 minus 3 into 3z plus 8. Put the value of z minus 2. Here z is minus 2 and here also z is minus 2. Plus minus minus 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 and minus 7. It is minus 11. And here it is 3 into minus 2. 3 2s are 6. Minus is there. Minus 6 plus 8 will be subtracted. 8 minus 6, it is 2. And 3 2s are 6. Minus 11 and minus 6. Both will be minus 17. Right hand side, it is 4z minus 9. Z is minus 2. 4 2s are 8. Minus 8 and minus 9. Both will be added. Minus 17. Left hand is minus 17 as right hand side is minus 17. Both are equal.